I'm very scared. So I have 3 periods now, and
Did anyone? Yeah.
they literally hate me. But to be honest, I'm gonna get an iced coffee. Just look at how many times I've had iced coffee in my videos. We are literally aimlessly walking around the school. He needs to go to the estates department. And basically we get our EPQ back today, so I'm definitely scared for that. And I've also got double Latin, like in the afternoon. I also get a test back in that lesson.
You actually got it?
No, not really. Don't really care about the EPQ. Can we go and get an iced coffee?
Yeah.
Probably his 8th of the day.
Mine? No, it's for you. To be fair, I am a bit of a coffee addict.
Could I get a decaf iced cappuccino with whipped cream and salted caramel? Thank
I just say you're scared of breaking the rules.
I am.
you. He's scared of breaking the rules.
Oh my god, it's
We all are.
Can we please just appreciate how there's literally a swamp in our school? Like, I don't know why there's a swamp and there's little frogs in there. So we get our EPQ in 10 minutes. Apparently I'm not meant to know about the plagiarism, but that was for my previous hand-in thing and I had to change it. I literally scrapped it all. So hopefully it's only like 10% plagiarized. 2 minutes until the results are out. I'm very scared because I don't know how I did in CPQ. I don't know if I enjoyed the topic. Wait, who marks our EPQ? Is it the advisor?
Yeah. Who was your Lawrence?
This is so scary. 1 minute. It says merit. What the hell? It says merit. I got a merit in my EPQ. These are the comments made by the person. And I'm so annoyed. I'm literally so annoyed. Why did I go over by 500 words? That is so stupid. That is so annoying because what? I feel like, but it says references.
critical feedback.
I don't know. The project says well, da-di-da.
Unfortunately, that
Oh,
times
lack
like,
of
yeah.
clarity.
I'm on the biggest of hopes.
Misleading
I want to
statements.
know if I got a merit aspect.
It must be because he got a merit.
Merit aspects.
Fuck.
That's what.
Okay, well, apparently I wasn't over the word count now, so the instructor was wrong, so I'm gonna go speak to her and hopefully I can get a mark up or something. Because my conclusion was vital. They literally played croquet on the lawn. What the hell? Like, what the hell? I just got my English article back. I ended up doing well. I got 26 out of 30. My friend here beat me by 1, which is good. I've got PE or games in the afternoon. I'm going to be doing squash. We're currently walking to the girls' school at the moment. He's got psychology. I have Latin. What else is happening? That's pretty much it. Vlog. And this is the girls' school. So it's now time for games. I'm currently doing squash. I don't really want to play because I've got a bit of work to do. A lot of editing. But these are the squash courts. There's only 3 of us playing today, so I'm literally just going to sit on the side and work. I have definitely changed into clothes that are against the school's policy. But you know, fucking hell, I thought somebody else was going to come in here. I'm actually so scared that someone's going to come in here. My motto is, the world is your runaway. By runaway, I mean, you know, the runaway walk thing, model thing, but that's my outfit. I did once get told off for wearing like cargos to games, but I think this is a bit better. So hopefully I don't get told off. And I'm not really meant to be filming, but you know, it's a day in the life. I'm literally documenting my life. So hopefully it's okay. I'm literally praying my teacher doesn't tell me off. I've got an iced coffee and I'm at the courts. Right, so I'm on my way to the coaches in this uniform. It's not good because I could get stopped. We're not allowed to go on the coaches with our like games stuff on, even though this isn't even my games kit. But yeah, hopefully I don't get stopped. It's all going well so far. There are no teachers about. Maybe I can make it onto the coaches. Basically, we're expected to change back into our uniform, and there's literally, I don't get the logic behind that. Like, why should I change back into my uniform? There's no logic. We're like going home. What's the point? Okay, well, I've made it. The coaches are there. There's clearly nobody here because I'm like 15 minutes early. I don't know if you can see the coaches, but they're like over there. So my coach hasn't turned up yet. I need to wait.
He got hit without it being coming.
Because then, what's on here?
Yeah, Jay's.
Is this Bushy? Thank you. Thank you. I've made it on the coach and I'm going home. School's nearly over for summer. Can't wait. Apparently I'm not meant to be able to see the pages in the report. Apparently I'm not. Stop distracting me.
You're distracting me. We're yawning. We're just sitting there.